हाँ जी बेटा, लास्ट लैक्चर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ स्टार्ट ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन। सो मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू एक्सपैक्टेशन ऑफ e टू द पावर tx। ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸ ਰੈਂਡਮ ਵੇਰੀਏਬਲ ਆ ਦੈਨ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨਾ, ਅਗਰ ਡਿਸਕਰੀਟ ਹੈ ਦੈਨ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨਾ। ਕੁਝ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ to find moment generating function. Now today we will discuss expansion of moment generating function. Now e to the power tx, as we know e to the power theta is equal to 1 plus theta square by 2 factorial plus theta cube by 3 factorial and so on. E to the power theta is equal to 1 plus theta square by 2 factorial plus theta cube by 3 factorial and so on. So e to the power tx is equal to 1 plus tx over 1 factorial plus tx whole square divided by 2 factorial tx whole cube divided by 3 factorial and so on. So which is equal to expectation of 1 using linearity property, expectation of tx plus 1 factorial, expectation of t square into x square divided by 2 factorial and so on. Expectation of 1 is 1. This can be written as t over 1 taking t over 1 factorial common into expectation of x plus t square divided by 2 factorial expectation of x square. Similarly t cube over 3 factorial expectation of x cube and so on. As we know, mu r dash is equal to expectation of x to the power r. So this will become mu 1 dash, this will become mu 2 dash, this is mu 3 dash and so on. So moment generating function can be written as 1 plus t over 1 factorial mu 1 dash plus t square over 2 factorial mu 2 dash plus t cube over 3 factorial mu 3 dash and so on. So in this summation form, this can be written as 1 plus t to the power r over r factorial mu r dash, where r is varying from 1 to infinity. So this is very important form of moment generating function. So student ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ। ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਜਨਰੇਟਿਵ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ, ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ e ਟੂ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ tx ਨਾਲ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ ਸੋਲਵ, ਔਰ ਇਟ ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਰਿਟਨ ਐਜ਼ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ mu 1 ਡੈਸ਼ ਪਤਾ, mu 2 ਡੈਸ਼ ਪਤਾ and mu 3 dash known are, then we can substitute the values of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash here. ठीक है, उस तो बाद अगर कोई एक्सपेंशन बन दिया then we can directly write the moment generating function. Also अगर असी इस एक्सपेंशन की गल करिए, if we differentiate this expansion with respect to t and after that put the value of t is equal to 0, if we differentiate moment generating function with respect to t, then what we will get, this will become 0, 1 over 1 factorial mu 1 dash plus 2t over 2 factorial mu 2 dash and so on. And after putting the value of t is 0, then we will get mu 1 dash, because this will become 0 and so on, 0 0 0, so we will get only mu 1 dash. Similarly, if we will again differentiate with respect to t, mu curly 2 mt over curly t square is equal to, this will become 0 plus t mu 2 dash. In the next step, here this is 360 divided by 3 factorial mu 3 dash and so on. Now after putting the value of t is equal to 0, after putting the value of t is 0, we will get सॉरी बेटा इतने तुहाडे कोल 1 आएगा, ओनली म्यू 2 डैश विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी डिफरेंशिएट किया. नाउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ टी इज 1, म्यू 2 डैश कॉन्स्टेंट. नाउ इन दिस एक्सपेंशन अगर टी की वैल्यू 0 सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिए, देन वी विल गेट म्यू 2 डैश. सो देखो स्टूडेंट, म्यू 1 डैश का एक तो असी डायरैक्ट फार्मूला किया सी, म्यू 1 डैश इज इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स. Now we will get another formula to find mu 1 dash. So how we can differentiate moment generating function with respect to t? After that we can substitute the value of t is equal to 0 and we will get the value of mu 1 dash. अगर moment generating function ਨੂੰ 2 time differentiate करिए with respect to t and put the value of t is equal to 0, we will get the mu 2 dash. Similarly, mu 3 dash, we will differentiate moment generating function 3 times with respect to t and we will, after that we will put the value of t is equal to 0, so we can get the value of mu 3 dash and so on. So एक तो असी देखो दो फार्मूले बन गए हम साडे कोल टू फाइंड म्यू आर डैश. एक तो तुहाडे कोल एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स टू द पावर आर और differentiate moment generating function with respect to t r times and put t is equal to 0. So ये फार्मूला कदों बेनिफिशियल आ कि अगर moment generating function given आ and we are to find 0 moments, then फिर असी ये वाला फार्मूला यूज करांगे. लेकिन अगर एक्सपेंशन गिवन आ, देन वी कैन यूज दिस फार्मूला. कई बार ये हुंदा कि क्वेश्चन दे विच, एक क्वेश्चन दे विच तुहानू मोमेंट जेनेटिक फंक्शन भी पूछ लिया, उस तो बाद ये भी कहता कि जी मीन वेरिएंस या 0 मोमेंट्स फाइंड करो. तो सब तो पहला क्योंकि असी मोमेंट जेनेटिक फंक्शन पूछा तो मोमेंट जेनेटिक फंक्शन फाइंड कर लांगे. उस तो बाद फिर असी की करांगे, ये वाला फार्मूला यूज करके मोमेंट जेनेटिक फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करांगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. तो टी की वैल्यू 0 सब्सटीट्यूट करने तो बाद वी विल गेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ म्यू 1 डैश, म्यू 2 डैश एंड सो ऑन, जिन्नी भी तुहानू रिक्वायरमेंट आ. सो ये तुसी दो फार्मूले ध्यान रखने ने. सिमिलरली मोमेंट जेनेटिक फंक्शन के भी असी 2 फॉर्म्स कर ली. एक तो डायरैक्टली एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ ई टू द पावर टी एक्स, एक तो ये वाली फॉर्म की है कि एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ ई टू द पावर टी एक्स. तो सैकेंड असी फॉर्म की 1 प्लस t over 1 factorial mu 1 dash, t square over 2 factorial mu 2 dash, t cube over 3 factorial mu 3 dash and so on। ठीक है जी, दोनों फॉर्म्स तुसीं याद रखनियां ने। सिमिलरली म्यू आर डैश ਲਈ भी तुसीं दोनों फॉर्म्स याद रखनियां ने। These are very very important. Now we will solve some question. Now question is, a random variable x has PDF given fx is equal to 2 into e to the power minus 2x when x is greater than equal to 0. We have to find moment generating function and first 4 moments about origin. So सब तो पहला असी moment generating function find करांगे ते second क्वेश्चन साडे कोल ये है कि मोमेंट्स फाइंड करनियां ने अबाउट ओरिजिन। दैन फिर असी क्योंकि मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन ऑलरेडी फाइंड कर चुके होवांगे, दैन उस तो बाद असी की करांगे, मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन यूज करके we will find the 4 moments about origin. Now moment generating function mgf mt is equal to expectation of e to the power tx. So because x is varying from 0 to infinity, e to the power tx into fx, and fx is what? 2 into e to the power minus 2x dx. So which can be written as 2 0 to infinity taking 2 common e to the power t minus 2 into x dx. Now e to the power t minus 2 into x divided by t minus 2 0 to infinity now अगर इन्फिनिटी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें देन इट विल बिकम e to the power infinity into t minus 2. So x तो infinity हो गया. Now we have also discussed the case of t, क्योंकि अगर if t will be greater than equal to 2 then it will become undefined infinity. So we will assume here t less than 2, because if t will less than 2 then it will become e to the power minus infinity. क्योंकि अगर t is less than 2, if t is less than 2 then it will become negative. t minus 2 will become negative, so it will become e to the power minus infinity and which will become 0. So here we will assume that t is less than 2, because for t is greater than equal to 2 it is not defined. So if we assume t less than 2, so therefore moment generating function will become 2 e to the power minus infinity 0 minus lower limit, so 0 minus 1 over t minus 2, which will become 2 over 2 minus t. So this is the moment generating function, or we can write it as 2 into 2 minus t to the power minus 1. So by taking 2 common, so moment generating function 2 into 2 to the power minus 1, 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 1. So which is equal to 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 1. Now this is the moment generating function. Now we are to evaluate 4 moments about origin, means mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. Now for mu1 dash, we will differentiate moment generative function with respect to t. So we will get minus 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 2 into negative 1 by 2. So after putting t is equal to 0, so mu1 dash is equal to curly mt by curly t with at t is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus 0 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So we get mu1 dash is equal to 1 by 2. सब तो पहला सी मोमेंट जेनेटिव फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t डिफरेंशिएट किया. After that we put the value of t is equal to 0 and we will get mu1 dash is equal to 2. Now for mu2 dash, सब तो पहला सी मोमेंट जेनेटिव फंक्शन ਨੂੰ 2 टाइम्स डिफरेंशिएट करांगे. Here mt is 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 1 and curly m by curly t is equal to 1 over 2 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 2. Now we will again differentiate mt curly m by curly t with respect to t, curly 2m by curly t square 1 by 2 minus 2 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 3 into negative 1 by 2. So we will get 1 by 2 into 1 minus t over 2 to the power negative 3. Now curly 3 m over curly t cube 1 by 2 minus 3 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. We will get 3 over 4 1 minus t over 2 to the power negative 4. Similarly curly 4 m by curly t to the power 4 3 over 4 minus 4 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 5 into minus 1 by 2. So which is 3 over 2 1 minus t over 2 to the power minus 5. Now 1 by 1 we will put the value of t is equal to 0. Now mu1 dash already we have 1 by 2. Now here put t is equal to 0. If t will become 0, then 1 minus 0. So mu2 dash is equal to curly 2m over curly t square at t is equal to 0. So we will get the value which is 1 by 2. Now again here put t is equal to 0. This is 1 and we will get 3 by 4. So mu3 dash is equal to curly 3m by curly t cube at t is equal to 0, which is equal to 3 by 4. Now mu4 dash curly 4m by curly t to the power 4 at t is equal to 0. अगर t की वैल्यू 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए 1 into 3 by 2, so which is 3 by 2. So mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and this is mu4 dash. Now we can also find, अगर साढ़े को क्वेश्चन आंदा कि सेंटर मोमेंट फाइंड करो, वेरिएंस फाइंड करो, दिस इज दी अर्थमेटिक मीन. अगर वेरिएंस फाइंड करना देन mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. अगर mu3 फाइंड करना देन वी कैन फाइंड using the formula. Similarly we can find the fourth center moment if required. Now next question is the random variable x, assume the value of x, assume the value x with the probability law fx is equal to q to the power x minus 1 into p, where x is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Find the homogeneity function of x and hence find the mean and the variance. देखो स्टूडेंट्स पहला भी असी क्वेश्चन किए हुए ने कि अगर तो तुहाडे कोल डायरैक्टली मीन एंड वेरिएंस आंदा, मीनली वी विल फाइंड एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स and variancely first of all we will find expectation of x square. After that variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. लेकिन क्वेश्चन इत्थे ये आ कि सब तो पहला असी मोमेंट जेनेरेटिव फंक्शन फाइंड करना, उस तो बाद असी मीन ते वेरिएंस फाइंड करना. सो जिद्दां कि असी पहला भी किया कि पहला मोमेंट जेनेरेटिव फंक्शन फाइंड करांगे, फिर यूजिंग मोमेंट जेनेरेटिव फंक्शन वी विल फाइंड म्यू वन डैश म्यू टू डैश. नाउ म्यू वन डैश दिस विल बी द अर्थमेटिक मीन एंड फॉर वेरिएंस वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएंस विल बी गिवन बाय म्यू टू एंड म्यू टू इज इक्वल टू म्यू टू डैश माइनस म्यू वन डैश स्क्वायर. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड द मोमेंट जेनरेटिंग फंक्शन. नाउ मोमेंट जेनरेटिव फंक्शन is equal to expectation of e to the power tx, which is equal to summation x varying from 1 to infinity e to the power tx into fx. So which is equal to e to the power tx into fx. Fx is what? P into q to the power x minus 1. So taking p common, summation x e to the power tx into q to the power x minus 1. So now p values of x 1, 2, 3 and so on. So e to the power 1, t into q to the power 0, e to the power 2 t into q plus q square into e to the power 3t plus q cube into e to the power 4t and so on. Now taking e to the power t common, so p into e to the power t 1 plus q into e to the power t plus q into e to the power t whole square plus q into e to the power t cube and so on. Now this is becoming GP with the first term 1 common ratio q into e to the power t and infinite series, and sum is equal to, its sum is a over 1 minus r. So we will get moment generating function is equal to p into e to the power t 1 over 1 minus q a over 1 minus r. So this will become p into e to the power t divided by 1 minus q into e to the power t. Now this is the moment generating function. Now we are to find the mean and the variance. For that we will differentiate moment generating function curly m by curly t. We will apply quotient rule here. 1 minus q into e to the power t into p into e to the power t minus derivative of numerator as it is derivative of denominator. After simplify it, we will get p into e to the power t divided by 1 minus q e to the power t whole square. Now we will again differentiate moment generating function. Curly m over curly t, we will differentiate curly m over curly t again with respect to t, and curly 2m by curly t square. Again apply again apply quotient rule here. 1 minus Q into e to the power t whole square, denominator square denominator as it is, derivative of numerator. Now minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. 2 into 1 minus Q now after simplification we will get p into e to the power t 1 plus Q into e to the power t divided by 1 minus Q, this one. Now for mu1 dash we will put t is equal to 0 in curly m over curly t. Now p over 1 minus Q whole square. So p over 1 minus Q whole square, p over p square, because we know that p plus Q is equal to 1. So 1 minus Q is equal to p. So which is equal to 1 over p. Now for mu2 dash, curly 2m over curly t square at t is equal to 0. We will put t is equal to 0 here. P into 1 plus Q divided by 1 minus Q. So P into 1 plus Q divided by PQ. So 1 plus Q over P square. So which is mu2 dash. So this is the mean. For variance will be given by mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 is 1 over p square plus Q over p square minus mu1 dash square 1 over p whole square. So we will get Q over p square. So variance is equal to Q over p square. हाँ जी बेटा, तुसी क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करो ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ इस एक्सरसाइज दे. Now in the next lecture we will discuss some more questions. On moment genetic function. Okay.